Top 10 most modern agricultural machines.
Top 2.
Combine harvester. The modern combine harvester, also known simply as a combine, is a machine designed to harvest a variety of crops that are grown. The combine harvester is one of the most economically significant labor-saving inventions, significantly reducing the proportion of the population engaged in agriculture. Among the crops harvested by the combine are wheat, rice, oats, rye, barley, corn, maize, sorghum, millet, soybeans, flax, linseed, sunflowers, and canola. The separated straw, which includes the stalks and any remaining leaves with minimal nutrients, is then chopped and spread on the field to be plowed under or arranged in rows, ready to be baled and used as bedding and feed for livestock. Thanks for watching Heartsuit.